we need to find the value of x, y and z. Okay, by looking at the figure we can find the value of x and y very easily. I will explain how. Okay, don't worry. You can see angle ABC is equal to 50 degrees given. Okay, so angle y is equal to twice of angle ABC. Reason: angle subtend at center is twice angle subtend on circumference. Okay, so angle y will be equal to 50 into 2, that is 100 degree. You can see 100 degrees in option 1, so by default option is correct. But for your confirmation we will find the value of x and z too. Value of x will be equal to angle ABC. Reason is angle in alternate segment. So it will be equal to again 50 degree. 50 degrees angle x, 100 degrees angle y. Now 40 degree, how it came? See, you can see OA and OC are radius. So triangle OAC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two angles are obviously equal. Equal side opposite angles are equal. 100 plus 1 is z, so it will be also z. 100 plus 2z is equal to 180 degree, sum of all angle in triangle. So z will be equal to 40 degree is the final answer. I hope you have understood it.